The zombie drug is a synthetic cathinone that has gained notoriety for its dangerous effects on the human body and mind. This drug has caused a wave of addiction, overdoses, and bizarre behavior in users across the world. Over the past few years, there has been a rising drug epidemic in various countries worldwide, causing a growing number of deaths and health complications. In particular, a new drug has been making its way into the market, one that is even more dangerous than those before it. Known as the zombie drug, this substance has caused havoc among those addicted to it, leading to painful and gruesome symptoms that are life-altering. Today, we will discuss this dangerous drug, how it has become so prevalent, and what it means for communities worldwide. The story of Tracy McCann. Tracy McCann, a 39-year-old resident of Philadelphia, is among the many affected by the zombie drug epidemic. A former fentanyl addict, she began to notice her bruises hardening and turning black, leading to crusty tissue on her arms. Even switching dealers did not help, and it was discovered that xylazine, an animal tranquilizer, was being used to bulk up the fentanyl supply. Xylazine can cause a scaly dead tissue called a scar, which can lead to amputation. Furthermore, the drug causes a blackout stupor, making users vulnerable to rape and robbery, and it is resistant to standard opioid overdose reversal treatments. The prevalence of the zombie drug. According to the most recent data, more than 90% of Philadelphia's lab-tested drug samples were positive for xylazine. Furthermore, a study published in June detected xylazine in drug supplies in 36 states and the District of Columbia. In New York City, xylazine has been found in 25% of drug samples, although health officials say that the actual saturation is likely to be even greater. The drug has been a menace, leading to gruesome and painful wounds that resist treatment, and the prevalence of the substance is concerning. Legal gray area. Xylazine exists in a legal gray area, as it was approved by the FDA as a veterinarian-prescribed analgesic 50 years ago. As it is not listed as a controlled substance for animals or humans, it is not subject to strict monitoring, and it has not been on the radar of federal law enforcement for diversion or abuse. This legal loophole has made it difficult for officials to crack down on the drug's proliferation, further exacerbating the issue. Dealing with the zombie drug epidemic. The zombie drug epidemic requires a multi-pronged approach to tackling the issue. On the one hand, communities must be educated on the dangers of the drug, its symptoms, and how to report it. There also needs to be a stronger focus on rehabilitation and treatment programs for those affected, with a particular emphasis on mental health and trauma-informed care. There should also be more robust regulation on the distribution of the drug, and greater surveillance on its use by law enforcement agencies. The zombie drug epidemic is a growing concern in many parts of the world, and it is essential to take action to prevent further harm to individuals and communities. Educating people about the dangers of the drug, expanding treatment and rehabilitation programs, and cracking down on its distribution and use will all play a significant role in addressing this issue. It is time for communities, lawmakers, and healthcare professionals to work together to bring an end to this epidemic once and for all. The zombie drug epidemic is a reminder of the dangers of synthetic drugs and the need for effective drug education and prevention programs. It's important to seek help if you or someone you know is struggling with addiction to this or any other substance. Together, we can combat the spread of this deadly drug and help those who are affected by it.